Hi. What do you do when life hits hard? Your heart is heavy and your to-do list keeps piling up and you don't have the energy. That's what I'm going through this week. And let's talk about it. You know, I have lost a dear friend yesterday or today. Her funeral was today. Tomorrow I'm visiting another elderly friend in the hospital and it looks like she may not make it through. Earlier in the week, I spent 4 days out of town visiting my grandchildren. It's a 4.5 hour drive there, and 4.5 hour drive back, which I find very depleting. And the dishes are piling up, and the laundry's piling up, and I felt the pressure to, post another YouTube video because that's important to me. But the energy's not there. The motivation's not there right now. And you might be going through things like that as well. We have to take time to recharge our batteries and just keep in mind that it is a season and it will pass. Be kind to yourself, have a bit of self-compassion, show yourself grace. I find that as I get older, physically and mentally, I just don't have the capacity that I used to have. And I find certain things can get overwhelming. But just take it easy, really. When I was in my last marriage, it was often made clear to me that I didn't meet expectations in many areas of the marriage. And yet, the irony is, here I am laying those expectations on myself. So we really do need to look after ourselves first. They say if you want to be a blessing to others, you have to have something to be able to give. If you're depleted, you don't have anything to give, right? And it just adds to the stress. And so I just want to say to you, take a deep breath, relax. Like I said, this will pass, and go easy. Just take little steps when you feel ready, because you have to take care of yourself. So show yourself grace, and I will be posting again when I feel ready, and hopefully it won't be too long. Anyway, take care. Bye-bye now.